And hi guys, and today we are going to have Android ROM development. I will like I will teach you how to develop Android for any device that is having their source codes, kernel codes, as well as vendor blobs released by their manufacturer. So let's get started. In order to develop a custom ROM, you need to have some basic knowledge of bash scripts like simple Linux commands, and you must have a Linux compatible machine, the machine that is running on the Linux platform like Ubuntu, or you can use Mac. And if you don't have, I would like to recommend you use Google Cloud Server, or you can use a legacy server. So if you are building right from the scratch, then I would like to tell you, just hit up your browser and type files. If you don't have anything installed on your computer, you just have open your computer and just install the Linux. So for those I'm telling, like, just type files required on Ubuntu for ROM building. Go to the first link, or you can use XJ available links also, and it will give you a bunch of commands or a whole description how to do that and what to do. Just follow these 4 or 5 steps, and when you are done with all the steps, then you are ready to build custom ROM. So I'm using a legacy server, so let me just start now. Okay, now first of all, ls is the command for listing the stuff whatever you have in your PC or your build machine. And in order to start, like, when you are done with all the installing stuffs that I have told you from that side, and after that just start by making a specific directory for a specific ROM sources. And what are ROM sources? ROM sources are basically the source codes that you need to in order to build a custom ROM. So just use a command make dir. It's a command for making a directory. Make dir. You can give any name whatever you want, like I'm going to build Cypher OS AOSCP ROM for my device, so I will just use this cy, and cd is the change directory command to cy. And just give me a second, my PC is just, yeah, actually my PC ran out of power, so I have to just I was just needing a couple of seconds. Okay, let's go. So next is how do we download the custom ROM sources. So in order to download the custom ROM sources, just fire up your browser and go to GitHub organization of the ROM, of whatever ROM sources you want. Like I am going to build, as I told you, Cypher OS, so I will go Cypher OS git, and then find platform manifest file. You can find them in pin repositories, but if it is not available, just go and search here for manifest. Fine, you will easily find it. So now, as you can see that here we don't have any readme file, so just copy this link and type git, sorry, not git, repo init -u the link dot git -b and see the branch name, whatever branch you want to use, that is Oreo MR1 release. Oreo MR1 release and hit enter. Yes. Now just run a command repo sync force sync no clone panda no text. And yes, that's all start now downloading. So please wait until this heavy bunch of source codes get downloaded, and I will continue the video when this is done. Okay, as you can see that it has been done now, and let's continue now. Hit the command. Okay, these are now about to complete.